Are you looking for clean and organic products to use in your child's hair? Join us for a mommy and daughter wash day using Reagan Sanai's I Want It All Whole Collection Kit. It's all natural and organic, so let's try it out. Today we're doing Maddie's hair and Mommy's hair. We have a lot of new products, so we're going to introduce you to them and tell you all the ingredients and how we like them, okay? Okay. So here I'm just setting up her wash bowl. This is very helpful and essential for wash day, and I got it off of Amazon. You can find it in my storefront. All right, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water on her hair just so I can get the bowls and stuff out that she originally had. Today's video was sponsored by Reagan Sanai Hair Care. We have the I Want It All Whole collection. This collection includes 7 of their all natural and organic products. Their product line includes several ingredients that are nourishing for the hair. I absolutely love that these products are handcrafted and created by the founder whose daughter struggled with eczema and created a formula that will be more gentle on her hair. So you'll gladly find that all these products are free of any harsh chemicals. They even have products safe enough for your infant's hair. I also love that these products are formulated with natural herbs and oils. They use some of my favorite moisturizing ingredients like avocado oil, mango butter. Some of our favorite fruits like avocado and banana are combined for potassium-rich formulas that help strengthen and moisturize your child's hair and prevent breakage. Their products are especially crafted for sensitive skin, for eczema relief, psoriasis, and dry scalp relief. It's so important for us to learn about and nourish our child's hair, and Reagan Sanai's products allow us to properly do so. So as I went ahead and took down Maddie's twist, I just put in a little bit of the leave-in conditioner and some water to detangle it just a little bit before we started. And just look at her shrinkage. If you know, you know. We're starting off our wash with the moisturizing black soap shampoo. It's a great alternative to sulfate shampoos that strip the hair. It's a hydrating shampoo that's formulated with slippery elm bark and tea tree oil to moisturize and soothe the scalp. I just go ahead and thoroughly wash her hair and her scalp before moving on to the deep conditioner. This is the avocado and banana deep conditioner. Their custom recipe is rich in potassium, so it helps to prevent breakage in your child's hair. I really enjoyed the texture of the deep conditioner and it went on really smooth. While I'm working in a deep conditioner, I try to finger detangle as well. And after doing each of the sections, I just clip it. This collection even comes with a style guide to help you with your process. After we let that deep conditioner sit in for about 10 minutes, I wash it out and then we add in some of the leave-in. So now I'm just going to section off her hair into 4 sections so that we can make a smoothie.
A smoothie?
A smoothie.
Wow.
Now we're going to make a smoothie inspired by the Reagan Sanai collection. You ready to make the smoothie? And this one has coconut milk and banana, so we're going to use coconut milk and banana. I thought it was so cool to make a smoothie with some of the ingredients that are in the actual products. So we're going to use some of the ingredients like the mango, banana, coconut milk, and kiwi. Put it in there, please.
Whoa!
All right, put the berries in.
Be
careful, careful. So making sort of a swirl smoothie. So in this first part, we already have our blueberries and mango. I'm also going to add in some baby banana and some dates for sweetness. The liquid that we're using is coconut milk like it is in several other products. I also add in hemp seeds and sea moss.
Thank you.
Put the sea moss in there.
Mom.
Yeah, baby.
Good job showing with me.
You're welcome.
1, 2, 3.
For the second part of the smoothie, the leave-in detangler has kiwi oil, so I use some kiwi in this part. It has a base of strawberries. I add in that kiwi, banana, dates for sweetness, and coconut milk. I even decorate the sides of the glasses with a little bit of coconut cream.
So you get grapes, and I'm going to have some smoothie. That's so funny.
So here's the final version of the smoothie. I just alternate back and forth with the 2 types of smoothie that I made. At the end, I just topped it with some more mango and kiwi. I let Maddie enjoy this smoothie before we get to style her hair. Toast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Got up this show like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now where to go again? Why do let it go? Because my finger so which finger is it by? This is the finger on my right. I will do your hair tonight, and I will do my hair.
You gonna do your hair too?
Yeah, I'll do your hair, and I'll do my hair, okay?
Okay, all right, we'll see. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, high five. Let's do it. Because we love these products so much, we're giving away one of Reagan Sanai's collection kits. Follow all the rules on the screen to win. Now we're finally ready to style Maddie's hair. Her scalp is all nice and clean, and we're going to be doing some 2-strand twists. So I'm going to pull out the mango butter souffle and the rosemary hibiscus curling defining gel. The curl defining gel helps to define and elongate curls, remove frizz, and provide long-lasting hold. And I use the mango butter souffle, basically like a curling cream, which helps to soften her hair. Once it came time to make her twist, I just put a little bit of the mango butter on my hand and then some gel before I began to make her twist. And we're not doing anything fancy. I just did her whole head in 2-strand twists. I really love the definition that he gave each of her curls. You're all done. And as we finish, I finished off with the aloe refreshener spray and growth oil. It's recommended to use these products together with ingredients like horsetail, vitamin E, and avocado oil in combination to help stimulate hair growth. You look beautiful?
Yeah, you bet.
You want some bubbles?
Yes! I like it so much, Mama. That looks so cute. This is Alice. Oh, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
You say, look at the mirror. Ooh, Maddie! You look so cute, cute, cute. You look so cute, cute, cute. You look so cute, girl. Now Mama's has to do her hair. Well, now I'm gonna do my hair so I look pretty too. Mom's gonna do twists like you. Deal? Deal.
And I want to do your hair tonight.
Yeah, let's do my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wash and condition my hair and do everything that I did to Maddie's before, and then I will come back to actually style my hair, and I'm gonna style it just like hers. I just went ahead and took the band off my hair and then detangled with the same leave-in detangler. My hair was actually already clean, but I wanted to experience the shampoo and products for myself. And after using all of them, I was definitely not disappointed. I gave myself 2-strand twists just like Maddie, and they came out great with a lot of shine and moisture.
Twist, 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 twist.
Now Mommy looks like you. You look like Mommy.
Yeah, I got just like you.
Yeah, we both got some twist girls.
Yeah, and you got some hair.
Yeah, that looks so cute.
And I look still here. I look so hair. It looks so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like and share this video and subscribe to me to see more content. Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
I want to give a special thanks again to Reagan Sanai, the sponsor of this video, and don't forget to enter the giveaway before it ends. Okay.